All is well?
Okay, so I was checking the patch notes because I haven't played League in a little bit, and Halo Blades got nerfed, or I mean, sorry, Halo Blades got buffed. So I was thinking of making a video on if AP Twitch with Halo Blades is viable again like it used to be back in the day. However, the buff is only for 80 champions, but that's not going to stop me from making a video to see if Halo Blades could still be good on Twitch. Now, we're going to see. It's just the reason why this domination tree sucks so bad is it's mainly because of this. And like as an ADC, you're not really supposed to be warding. Like eyeball collection is what you would go every time, and that just give a lot of AD.
What doesn't kill you just isn't finished yet.
So I could go treasure hunter or relentless hunter. I think we're gonna, oh shit, there's a Kai'Sa. Okay, that's gonna be rough. I think absolute focus in gathering storm is gonna be, I could go precision secondary and get the bonus attack speed, but I don't really think I need it because their champs are really like kind of squishy. They don't really have a tank, so I'm hoping this top laner doesn't pick a tank, and that's actually perfect. That's exactly what I want. So we're gonna play with exhaust here, and I think it'll be fine on into Kai'Sa Lulu. But we're just gonna see if Halo Blades is still viable on AP Twitch. Now, chances are I'm not gonna do very well because I'm not in a favorable matchup right now. But that's not gonna stop me from trying. So it's time for AP Twitch. You know, maybe this will become meta soon, but honestly, AP Twitch is just so much better with press the attack, just because the 8% extra damage is just, it's so strong. And so is the damage that procs immediately when you proc press the attack. So Kai'Sa's got a lot of mastery points. Lulu's got a decent amount. My Malphite support, that should be who Kai'Sa's got barrier. So what I'm actually gonna go for here is I'm gonna try to get an early our Seeker's Arm Guard. And hopefully that'll be fine. I also want to try out Lethal Tempo Twitch soon because Bork is I don't know if Blade, let me look it up. Blade of the Ruined King. I'll have to see when I'm in game. I gotta see what the damage is on ranged champions because I don't know. I've been playing Mayhem, ARAM Mayhem, and the damage in it is 10%, I think, on ranged champions, which is quite a bit, and that means old Bork is back. So I'm hoping that's it'll be pretty strong. But yeah, so Aurelion Sol got buffed, Blitzcrank got buffed, Yone got buffed, and a few runes. The movement speed shard got buffed. Oops, I'm not. What's going on with my frames? on. Is this better?
To Summoner's
My
Rift.
frames are still kind of
Hey, what
not
did
very
I
good.
spoken?
What is Control Shift O?
30 seconds until minions
What is that in the
spawn.
top left? I don't know what that is from. But like I'm having really bad problems with my frames. Let me exit this and see if that's the reason why. I don't know what that is.
Minions have spawned.
I've never seen that before.
What's sharing?
Okay, we're gonna... But my frames, it's still so choppy. What the fuck is going on? What is that? I don't know what that is. Is it this?
From out of the sewers comes doom.
No. Okay, yeah, it's gone now. I want full screen. Okay, there we go. We got it fixed.
I can't even taste the air up here.
First blood.
Have you met my fleas?
Oops. They're gonna get level 2 here. They're not gonna push up. I'm not aggressive with it.
They are the plague.
I'm just gonna keep my mana up. Just taking some poke from Malphite.
It's sticky, so you don't drop it.
Oops.
Now, there's a smell you can feel. Watch your step. Here's something that won't wash off. It'll only hurt till you die. I'll be right under their noses. I was hiding!
I took a tower shot? Excuse me?
You're looking a little green.
Yeah.
An enemy has been
Sneaky,
slain.
sneaky.
That's so crazy I took a tower shot. I'm going back. That's ridiculous.
Shiny.
The tower immediately hit me. That was crazy. Okay, they got vision in that bush. Malphite, please, for God's sakes, what are you doing?
An ally has been slain.
All pipes lead to home.
Okay, well now the wave is just frozen. So now she can't ever play the game.
Hi!
Last hit the cannon, bro. I hate when supports do that. You just broke the freeze. Oh my god.
Right for the picking. I'm gonna want that back. I'm on to you.
An enemy has been slain.
These guys don't want to fight.
Oh, hello! You're looking a little green.
What? Okay. I kind of want to get rid of this refillable and just get my blasting wand spike. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Once I have blasting wand, I'm just gonna be
It's mine.
a lot stronger than them, I think. She bought coal. Hey, how about we freeze the wave?
Rust is like more delicious mold. It's me! Run, smugulate!
Alright, kill.
You have slain an enemy.
I flashed for the kill. Worth.
An ally has
Sweep
been
these all
slain.
myself. You're welcome. Don't trust any liquid you can see through. Hi! Here's something that won't wash off.
What is she doing? Why is she chasing so much?
Who's following me? I was hiding!
An ally has been slain.
Shooting easy, aiming's hard. You're looking a
You're
little
not
green.
getting these platings. This turret is mine and I will defend it with my life.
Aged like a fine egg.
Okay, that's pretty good. All right, bro, you got the kill. And we're gonna. All right.
An enemy has been
Well, you know what? Why not?
An ally has been slain.
Oh, this doesn't smell at all.
I think maybe Zerx would have been better for me just because of the fact that I have sorcery second and not alacrity. So yeah, I think this might be bad. I think Berserks might have been better since I'm not gonna get as much
I'll be
attack
right
speed as I
under
should.
their noses. They're planning something. I know it.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, honestly, I think with the 30 AD we can kill her. But Lulu's gonna sit on her.
Share this!
He's dead.
I'm gonna want that back! Oh, hello! Now, there's a smell you can feel. Stand still. My eyes are on the side of my head.
Okay, maybe we can get platings. Lee Sin is around here, but I don't think he can kill both of us. Have exhaust up. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. I don't know where Lee Sin is. Oh, he's dead. What the fuck am I? Bro, I need to lock in. I need to lock in. Jesus Christ. And I need a dark seal. The way this has been going, this is going pretty good. Oh, wave's gonna freeze. Oh.
Dip it in sewage, leave it in the sun for a while. Oh yes, that's perfect. Yes. You're looking a little green. You're welcome. Sneaky, sneaky.
I'm leaving.
Hop on, Lice. It's me!
I somehow didn't kill Lulu. I don't think my poison's enough just yet. Oh, the Mort is getting ran down by Jax. Jax shouldn't be too hard. I just gotta save my W for him since he's gonna be blocking my autos.
Who let all these plants survive?
I want Kaisa to come back to lane by herself, like she's about to do right now.
Hi!
My invisibility was about to run out. I had to show. Yo, I forgot I have no attack speed.
Turret plating will soon fall.
Okay, what is this?
Hey, what did I step in?
Are we serious right now?
Slain.
Why did Mort take him into the death realm, bro? Oh shit, it's working. This is the worst thing I've ever seen.
From out of the sewers comes doom.
What? My true damage wouldn't get that?
I'm gonna want that back. I can't even taste the air up here. I was hiding.
So the late problem will be Lulu plus Jax.
Have you met my fleas?
Yeah, that I expected that Jax to be destroying more than the realm, but he didn't at all. He did like basically nothing to him.
They are the plague.
Oh, I got it. I'm okay. Well, he got the
An
cannon.
enemy has been slain.
It's sticky, so you don't drop it.
I kind of want to fast push this because this is the faster we can get into mid lane.
Watch your step. Here's something that won't wash off. You're looking a little green. All pipes lead to home.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, hello! Tremendo!
I think she ulted him. That's unfortunate.
An enemy has been slain.
We don't kill her, but we get turret.
Modulate!
Oh shoot, no we don't.
Are you
We can get this turret.
I'll be right under the hill.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Wait, I honestly...
It's me!
Yeah, he's not gonna take that.
Now, there's a smell you can feel. I'm on to you.
Excuse me. Now I just gotta keep this
Has destroyed a turret.
this lead up. I think they're gonna do some damage on our turret. They have void grubs. Yeah, it's gone down a little bit. She's got Kraken.
Don't trust any liquid you
Your
can
team
see.
has destroyed a turret.
What are you doing, Malphite?
Shut down. Enemy double kill.
Okay, well, my Kais is now fed.
Keep out.
That didn't take long for that to happen. And what a useful TP for Morg.
Who's following me?
We go mid.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Age like a fine egg.
Oh my goodness.
Rescuers for everybody!
I couldn't get the E off.
5 kills. I'll pull it.
Oh my god, Diana.
An enemy has
She's not even fed, she's doing that much damage. Warwick runs her down. Warwick's got that. I believe. Don't do it, bro. Oh shit. Okay, well. Oh. Oh, he ignited her. Worth.
An enemy has been slain.
This will do.
We can do Anakin, I think. Why would we not want to do Anakin here, guys? It's Warwick. He's gonna heal all the damage it does to him.
Time to go. They're planning something.
Does she die? I think she dies.
Quadra kill. Shut down.
Okay, worth.
An enemy
I tried
has
to
been
E
slain.
the Attican. She's too strong, bro. What the fuck is that? Alright. Well, the Stark Seal
Oh,
purchase
yes.
not looking too good right now. And I'm losing my XP advantage over Kaisa because now she's farming mid lane and she just hit level 11.
Dip it in sewage, leave it in the sun for a while. Oh, yes, that's perfect. Yes.
Okay, I think I just need Rab.
You're welcome. I demand a sandwich.
No! I missed cannon. What the fuck?
I'll be right under the nose.
Why did she...
Escapes out.
What? Okay, well,
Triple kill. An enemy has been slain.
Warwick? Worth. He gets out of there. Nah, he's not making it. He had faster movement speed. The fact that this Kaisa aimed down, that's so stupid, bro.
Hop on, life.
This would have been so easy if I was 80 Twitch. This game would have been over by now. Would have been one-shotting Akali.
Who let all these plants survive? Hey, what did I step in? Trespassers will be gnawed.
Bro, like...
What's sharing?
I don't know where she is. Where's the Akali? I found her.
An enemy has been
Oh,
slain.
I should probably not be going this way.
An
From
ally
out
has
of the
been
sewers
slain.
comes doom.
Enemy double kill.
Oh, for
Enemy
fuck's sake.
triple kill.
I can't even taste the air up here. Have you met
Unironically, we can kill her. Yeah, I don't know what she was doing there.
You're looking a little green.
Although Banshee's Veil, I'm gonna need this verdant barrier.
They are the plague.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Alright, guys. Now Kaisa's fed, and this is looking so bad. She's level 13.
It's
She's ahead of me
sticky, so
now.
don't drop it. something that won't wash off.
I still get that cannon 100%. No. It was about a tick.
Sneaky, sneaky. Watch your step. I was hiding.
My cannon? Bro, it's always dying at the last tick. That's so crazy.
Time to go. All pipes lead to home. Now, there's a smell you can feel. Are you gonna finish that?
WA Ram. How huge was that? Oh my god. Holy shit, my team is smurfing. Oh my god, that was the craziest Malphite into Diana. They all were lined up for my sewer skewers. We might be able to win, unironically. This is a GG. We won.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Wow.
Victory!
What a fun game. Yeah, I'm down to surrender. That was a huge crazy play. Like, why can't I have that? You know, give it to everyone. Give it to everyone. I don't care that this Mord was 1 in 5 in the early game. He actually was so good. He did so well. And I have reached mastery level 30 on Twitch. It's a lot higher if we add all the other accounts, like sewer skewers and oh shoot, I forgot what my other account's called. I didn't do too much damage. Tessa did more than me, but she was more involved in fights like that. I did the most true damage. Of course, because I'm AP Twitch. Anyways, that does it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed some Halo Blades Twitch. It's not very good. I kind of threw my lead there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.